Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to prevent certain parts of your design from moving or being edited, Canva allows you to lock elements in place so your layout stays clean and organized while you work. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to lock elements in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open Canva and log into your account. Open the design you want to edit. So for example, let's choose one of these designs, for example, this one. Okay, make sure all elements are visible. So click the elements you want to lock, okay? For example, okay, so wait. So make sure the element is highlighted, okay? So only selected elements can be locked. So click the lock icon in the top toolbar or right click the element itself and, tap lock or click lock, okay? So the element is now in place or locked in place. You won't be able to move or edit at all. To lock several items, hold shift, click multiple elements and click the lock icon. So this locks all selected items together, okay? And to unlock them, click the locked icons or locks items or locks elements and click the unlock icon, okay? So that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.